Did you know yawning is contagious even over the phone? It's fascinating how just hearing someone yawn can trigger the same response in you, even if you're not in the same room. Scientists believe it's linked to empathy and social bonding. When we see or hear someone yawn, our brain's mirror neurons activate, making us yawn too. This phenomenon helps us connect with others on a deeper level. So next time you hear a yawn, you might just yawn too. It's a subtle reminder of our shared human experience and how we're all interconnected. Whether it's with friends, family, or even strangers, yawning brings us closer together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us bring more interesting facts and stories to you. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the wonders of human behavior.